Hello, I'm Curio. Imagine stepping into a world where you can't say, I have nothing. No zero exists, no emptiness. No number to represent nothing. Your bank account? Meaningless. Math? Incomplete. Computers? They simply don't exist. But then, a strange number appears, a number that literally means nothing, and it changes the world from the ground up. The full story, how zero changed the world. Zero might look like the simplest number, but its history is anything but simple. In fact, zero was one of the hardest ideas for humanity to accept. What was the world like before zero? Ancient civilizations like Egypt and Rome could count just fine, but only things that actually existed. If something wasn't there? Well, it was almost as if it didn't deserve to be mentioned at all. Take Roman numerals, for example. 1, 2, 3, 4. So where's zero? Nowhere. That's why complex calculations were basically a nightmare. Math without zero was like doing accounting with your eyes closed. The birth of a strange idea in India. Around 1,500 years ago, Indian scholars asked a simple but radical question: if something doesn't exist, shouldn't it still have a symbol? And that's how zero was born. Not just as a number but as the concept of absence itself. Zero represents the space between numbers, the starting point, the line between having and not having. What did zero do that other numbers couldn't? Zero made it possible for large numbers to make sense, place value to matter, calculations to become faster and more precise. Without zero, algebra wouldn't exist. Complex equations wouldn't be possible. Modern science would fall far behind. Europe's fear of zero. When zero arrived in Europe, not everyone was excited. Some people said, "A number for nothing? That's suspicious. It must be something evil." In some places, using zero was even temporarily banned. But commerce is more ruthless than superstition. Merchants quickly realized that without zero, they couldn't calculate properly, they couldn't understand profit and loss. And slowly, but inevitably, zero took its place. Zero and the modern world. Now let's jump to today. Our entire digital world runs on just two symbols: 0 and 1. The messages you send, the videos you watch. Even this very video, all of it started from nothing. Conclusion: zero means nothing. But without zero, almost nothing in our modern world would exist. Sometimes the greatest revolutions don't begin with something big, they begin by accepting nothing. I'm Curio. This is where we talk about science, history, and ideas that change the world in ways school never told you about. If you enjoy stories like these, make sure to subscribe, because in every video, we uncover a piece of the world that's rarely talked about.